Welcome to episode 6, How Life Got Weird, From Chemicals to Cells.
Hosted by Justine and Kumar.
Let's dive into the wild journey of how life began on Earth.
So, imagine Earth as a totally wild alien planet, like prequel series to the prequel level wild. We're talking no oxygen, volcanoes popping off like it's Fortnite Lava Edition, and lightning storms zapping everything like the universe just discovered dubstep.
Yeah, dude. No plants, no puppies, no air to breathe. Just a spinning rock in space, covered in lava and absolutely vibing in its own toxic way. This was early Earth, about 4.6 billion years ago.
That's right, the Earth is 4.6 billion years old. And back in the beginning, it wasn't giving habitable. It was giving doom eternal, but without the cool weapons. The atmosphere was packed with gases like methane, ammonia, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. No oxygen, nada, zip, no breathing, no.
The whole planet was on extreme mode. Volcanoes were pumping out toxic fumes, asteroids were throwing hands, and somehow, in the middle of that chaos, it rained, like a lot, enough for all that water vapor to condense and form the first oceans.
And with oceans came the chance for something epic life. But not like frogs or dinosaurs, more like single-celled weirdos just trying to vibe.
Let's talk about the Miller-Urey experiment. These two scientists in the 1950s were like, hey, what if we try to simulate early Earth in a bottle? So they took a mix of gases that matched the ancient atmosphere, added water, sparked it with electricity, basically a lab-based thunderstorm, and boom.
They made organic compounds. That's right. Out of gas and lightning, they got amino acids, which are like the Lego bricks of life. It didn't create actual living things, but it showed that the building blocks of life could happen naturally, which is wild. Like science's version of crafting an ender pearl from scratch.
Then came the first cells, and yeah, they were prokaryotes. That means no nucleus, no organelles, just a membrane and some DNA. These guys were anaerobic, meaning they didn't need oxygen, which is good, because there wasn't any.
Until the real MVPs arrived, cyanobacteria. These ancient little photosynthetic bosses showed up, started doing photosynthesis, and began releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Total game changer.
That's called the oxygenation of Earth. It's like the planet got a massive update patch. Oxygen became available and suddenly new forms of life could evolve. Except a ton of the original anaerobic organisms went extinct because, oxygen was toxic to them. Oops, evolution's kinda savage. Now zoom out with me. Let's look at the geologic timeline. Earth's history is broken into chunks based on major events. We're talking continental drift, volcanic eruptions, ice ages, a whole Netflix series worth of destruction and rebirth.
And that leads us to the ultimate level resets mass extinctions. These are giant wipeouts of life on Earth. They happen when something extreme hits hard and fast. Think asteroids, volcanoes, climate change. And now, in modern times, yep, humans. That's the Anthropocene, bro. We're literally the extinction event now.
Yeah, congrats to us, I guess. One famous mass extinction, the one that took out the dinosaurs. Big ol' asteroid smashes into Earth, blocks out the sun, and boom, no more T-Rex. Life had to rebuild. That's the pattern: mass extinction, biodiversity reset. It's like pressing new game in real life.
So let's recap slow and clean. Earth is 4.6 billion years old. Early Earth was hot, volcanic, and toxic. Water vapor condensed into oceans. The Miller-Urey experiment proved organic molecules can form naturally. First cells were prokaryotes living without oxygen. Cyanobacteria brought us photosynthesis and oxygen. The geologic timeline is Earth's event history. Mass extinctions wiped the board clean and set evolution on a new path. We are now in the Anthropocene, the age of human impact.
It's like this entire planet is on a loop of destroy everything, then rebuild better. Except right now, we're the ones with the controller. And we're not exactly nailing it.
Yeah, man, we've got the cheat codes, but we're still playing like it's our first day on Earth. Maybe we should actually read the tutorial this time.
So if anyone asks why life is so weird, why we exist at all, just say, both it started with chemicals and got strange real fast.